Assalamu alaikum all. Welcome to my channel Islamic Learning Corner. Rabbana Duas are the 40 duas from the Holy Quran. These were the duas made by different prophets at different times of trials. Making a supplication is the same as having a prayer. It's a way for us to express remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Each dua made is a step getting closer to our Rabb and an opportunity to ask Him to shower His blessings and mercy upon us and all of mankind. In the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed 40 such duas known as the 40 Rabbana Duas. The reason is because they all begin with the Arabic word Rabbana, which means our Lord. Through these Quranic duas, we can ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for anything we could possibly want in this world and the hereafter. But before moving further ahead, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon below so that you will get timely updates. And yes, don't forget to like, comment and share the video.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbana afrigh AAalayna sabranwathabbit aqdamana wansurnaAAala alqawmi alkafireen. Rabbana afrigh AAalayna sabranwathabbit aqdamana wansurnaAAala alqawmi alkafireen.
Our Lord, bestow on us endurance and make us firm of foot and grant us victory over the disbelieving foe. This dua was read by the believers when they were at war with Jalut. Before the army confronted them, they recited this dua. Jazakallah